afternoon. Happy New Year. Those details as soon as possible. Basically, policing went on well, as Afande said, for the festivities we had as we were ushering in the New Year, and yesterday too. However, we made some operations within the day of 31st itself, and also at about 100 hours, that is on fast. Overall, we have over 300 suspects, but 57 of these were arrested from the kye'Nkuuka music festival. We had people who were pelting bottles at the stage. We have people who had these, they call it a gari, within the festival itself. So we managed to make those arrests. The suspects are with station, and they will be arraigned in courts of law today.